Hey, Dewey McDonough here from Guaranty RV. We got a brand new 2021 Northwood. It's the Fox Mountain. Model number is 235. So let's go inside and take a peek at it. All right, guys, we're inside of this 235 Fox Mountain. You walk in the door, you got a couple of recliners, swivel recliners here on your left, little cabinets on each side, cup holders. You know, you got a place to put your iced tea or coffee. So you got some rear windows in the back with storage above it. You got the pull down shades. Over here on the other side, you got your slide out with the booth in it that has storage underneath. Cabinets above. Actually, yep, storage, you know, in the bottom of the drawers there. And then in the middle here, you've got your little countertop for your sink and your you got your garbage. Nice cabinets. You got the drawers here. You got the new oven with a glass Furrion door, bigger BTU, stainless steel package, microwave, nice cabinets above us. And then over here by the stove, you've got the refrigerator with a Norcold. It's got the nice big Norcold refrigerator. Then over on this side, you've got storage, a little pantry behind the booth. And then your TV here with a DVD player, surround sound, more cabinets above it. And then you walk up the stairs to the bedroom, and then you got a nice walk around bed with your cabinets on both sides. You got your reading lights, storage under the bed. To the left, you got your shower here with a glass enclosure. To the right, you got a bathroom toilet in there. So nice looking little trailer. These are the new Fox Mountains, so they've really done a real good upgrade on these. They got the frameless windows, so you can see out real good in here, and on the outside we'll see they're real dark and tinted, but good looking, smaller unit. If you're wanting something a little lighter and a little shorter, this is perfect. All right, we'll go outside and walk around on the outside. You got a nice big, great big, tall, long electric awning with lights on the outside. You got to see the frameless windows. They're nice dark tinted here. The nice step of the new step. You walk around and you got a storage bay to get into. It goes all the way through to both sides. The batteries here, you got 2 batteries in the front compartment. You got more storage. When you walk around to the other side, you got more cabinets over there where you got a little, on the slide out, you got a little entrance on the back side of the slide, put fishing poles or whatnot. It actually, if you walk around to the back, you've got your ladder getting up on the roof. You've got your buttons here on the sides. It's got electric stabilizer jacks. You got the power hitch jack in the front. So good, nice big front cap on it. So if you're looking for a smaller fifth wheel, this 2021 model 235 Fox Mountain, it's a pretty awesome unit. So come see me, Dewey McDonough, Guaranty RV.